Okay, we're going to be doing cigar cases today. I'm going to show you how to measure the cases, show you what you're looking for. I'm going to show you some of the stuff you can use to put inside the case. Then, as soon as the live completes, there will be another video that comes out that shows you how to cut the inserts in design space and in silhouette. You should have your cases with you, if possible, a set of dominoes, the size that you're gonna use. So this is the size and dominoes I use for professional. This is the size and dominoes that I use for tournament. And these are the ones I use for jumbo. I keep sets around so I can have my box almost ready when the dominoes are finished. So I hope to see you Saturday at 3 p.m. let me see what date it's gonna be. June the 26th. I keep forgetting my days. So I see you at 3 p.m. Saturday, June the 26th, 2021. Okay, because I don't know when people are gonna see this video. And we'll go over cigar cases for dominoes, but these cases can be used for all kind of stuff. You can put your shot glasses in there. You can put, there's some big enough for tumblers. You can turn them into jewelry boxes. It's all kind of things that you can do with these cigar boxes. I go to my local cigar shop. One shop charges me $1. One shop charges between $1 and $5. One shop gave me some free. So what you need to do is Google cigar shops near me. Cigar shops, not the vape places. Cigar shops near me. Call around and see who has the cigar cases, because people don't usually buy cases of cigars. If it's a smoke lounge, people usually go in there and smoke 1 or 2 cigars and then leave. So then they have these awesome cases. These are mostly wood. They have some of them thick cardboard ones, not very many, but these are mostly wood. Most of them are handmade, just like the cigars. You can even do a gentleman's set with a cigar. Like if I had the cigars that go to this numero uno cigar and shot glasses, cigars, and whatever. These cigar cases are awesome. I've been doing a lot of stuff with them. So hopefully I'll see you all Saturday, June the 26th, which is today. It's Saturday. June the 26th at 3 p.m. It's only going to be 1 hour. But again, it's going to be a video right after that that shows you how to measure, because I don't want to go back and forth between the computer and showing you what to do. So I thought the part of showing you what I measure for is the most important part, because the computer part is just put it in there after you made your diagram or made your template on paper with your numbers and everything. All you gotta do is put it in there and make the dotted lines where you're gonna fold it at. So fold it or either cut it. So 3 p.m. I'll see you then. And y'all, I just woke up, so I hopefully look better later on.